Unraveling the mystery. Good versus well. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve deep into an aspect of English that often creates confusion. We're talking about the usage of good and well. While both words seem quite simple, they're often misused. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be using these words like a pro. So, let's get started. To start with, let's define what we mean by well. Well is most commonly used as an adverb, which means it describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, in the sentence, she sings well. Well is an adverb that describes how she sings. However, well can also be used as an adjective in specific contexts, particularly when talking about health. If you say, "I'm feeling well," you're using well as an adjective to describe your state of health. As an adverb, well describes how something is done. When you do something well, it means you do it in a satisfactory, efficient, or effective way. Here are some examples. He runs well. They speak English well. She writes well. In all these sentences, well modifies the verbs runs, speak, and writes, giving us information about how these actions are performed. Now, let's talk about well as an adjective. As mentioned before, this usage is specific to health-related contexts. When someone is well, they're in a good state of health. Look at these examples. I'm not feeling well today. After a week of flu, she is finally well. In these instances, well is an adjective describing the subject's health condition. So, when do we use well and when good? Remember, good is primarily an adjective, which means it modifies a noun. Well is primarily an adverb modifying verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. But keep in mind the specific health context where well works as an adjective. Here are some correct examples. You did a good job. Good modifies the noun job. She speaks English well. Well modifies the verb speaks. I'm feeling well. Well, an adjective here, describes the speaker's health. And that's a wrap on our discussion about well. Remember, understanding how to use well and good correctly can make a huge difference in your English fluency. So, practice these usage rules, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English language with us. Happy learning!